Hello and welcome to the Health Technology and Nursing presentation here at the Delaware Area Career Center. My name is Kimberly Castrodale. I'm a registered nurse and the program instructor. I've worked here at the ACC for 10 years. Health Technology and Nursing program is for you if you're interested in being a nurse, a state-tested nursing assistant, a phlebotomist, or a technical lab assistant. Pictured here is Savannah. She is a 2020 graduate. She was hired by Ohio Health right out of high school as a phlebotomist. Health Technology and Nursing program is also for you if you're a medical explorer. So you're interested in healthcare but not sure exactly what field you'd like to go into. So if you're thinking of physician assistant, phlebotomy, occupational therapy, radiology, imaging, respiratory therapy, anything in healthcare, then this would be a program for you. Pictured here is Alexis. She is a 2015 graduate. She has her registered nurse and is currently going to school to become a nurse practitioner. Junior year, students take the Ohio Department of Health's Nurse Aid Training Program. This certificate allows students to take the state test to become state-tested nursing assistants. This is a prerequisite to many nursing schools prior to doing the clinical portion of your studies. We also learn medical terminology, which is like learning a foreign language. We learn 350 word parts. Cardi means heart, gastro means stomach, itis means inflammation of, ectomy means surgical removal of. Students will also take an introduction to anatomy and physiology class for science credit during lab. Students take CPR, AED, and first aid certifications for the healthcare worker. Pictured here is Aaliyah. She's a 2020 graduate. She works as a nursing assistant while she goes to OSU Newark to pursue her dream of becoming a registered nurse. Junior year, we do a lot of career exploration through job shadow, class projects, and field trips. So students get the opportunity to shadow many healthcare professionals. They get the opportunity to go to the ER, to shadow therapy, to shadow PT, OT, in the pharmacy, in nursing, and in the lab. Students also get the opportunity to go on several field trips that are geared towards career exploration. So the very first month of school, we'll go to the Delaware Health Campus, where students get the opportunity to go to radiation, the infusion lab, imaging, radiology, sports medicine, and a pain clinic. Students will also go to Marion Technical College, where they'll get to go to each of the programs offered there and do some hands-on activities. So they'll visit nursing, biomedical lab. They'll also get to go to therapy and speech-language pathology. Junior year is all about learning foundational skills in healthcare. Students will learn how to don and doff their PPE, so put on and take off, mask, gown, gloves, goggles, things that we have to wear when patients are in isolation. They'll learn about washing their hands correctly. They'll learn to ambulate an unsteady patient using a gait belt. They'll learn how to transfer someone from bed to wheelchair, wheelchair to bed. They'll also learn vital signs, how to take temperature, pulse, respiration, and blood pressure. So they'll learn a lot of basic nursing care skills, things that have to do with hygiene and grooming. Pictured here is Madison. She's feeding Josh. They're both 2020 graduates. Josh is in the Army. Madison's working as a nursing assistant where she did a job shadow and an internship her junior and senior year. And she is attending Columbus State Community College for their nursing program. So we have several students here. In the top left are 2018 graduates. They are on clinicals, so students do get to go into the healthcare facility, and all the skills that they learn in lab they can put into place in the healthcare facility. On the top right, we have our 2016 graduates. All three of these students went on to become nurses. Aubrey went to Capital University and is a registered nurse. Kirsten and Morgan went to Tri-Rivers and they're LPNs. Down in the bottom left, we have Ashley and Jesse, 2012 graduates. Every year, Health Technology coordinates with the American Red Cross 3 blood drives. Jessie is now a registered nurse. She attended Mount Carmel College of Nursing. On the bottom right is a student, Victoria, from the class of 2018. And so we did a wellness booth at the convention center, and we took blood glucose and blood pressure for about 250 individuals. So again, they get to learn in practice the things that they were taught in lab. So senior year is all about more advanced skills, and so the students complete a patient care assistant certificate program that is through Columbus State Community College, and it's learning more advanced skills, things that are done in the hospital setting. Senior year, first semester, students get the opportunity to do an internship where they work with a mentor in a healthcare facility on Wednesdays and Fridays. They get credit through lab through their time spent at their internship. We continue learning our medical terminology. Senior year, we do a course through Columbus State that is for college credit. We continue to explore different colleges. Senior's year is when a lot of students finally pick where they want to go to school. We work on resumes, mock interviews for a professional job. Students also do a phlebotomy internship with Ohio Health, and they can do early job placement. And so senior year, second semester, students can work and receive credit for lab through their work experience. Many students do this and work as nursing assistants. So senior year is all about learning more advanced skills, skills that in the past were only performed by nurses, but now because of the nursing shortage, these skills are being taught to unlicensed personnel. So things that require sterile technique. So how to change a sterile dressing for a wound or a surgical site, how to take blood glucose, how to provide tracheostomy care, how to insert and remove a nasogastric tube, suture removal, phlebotomy, medication administration, how to give an injection and remove an IV. Pictured here is Victoria. She's a 2018 graduate. She was hired by Mount Carmel St. Anne's right out of high school as a patient care assistant, where she performs phlebotomy, EKG, and care assistant skills. So second semester senior year, students do have the opportunity to participate in a phlebotomy internship in partnership with Ohio Health. So Ohio Health and I teach this course. It's an 80-hour class of lecture and lab, and then 50-hour clinicals in Ohio Health ambulatory lab sites. So they actually do 50 hours in Ohio Health labs drawing patient blood. We learn all about the heart, the flow of blood through the veins, the different veins and arteries. We learn venipuncture, different needles. We learn about specimen processing. There's a lot more to phlebotomy than just drawing the blood. And so they learn about the different tubes and the tests, and then they learn customer service. Students are eligible to get jobs as soon as they graduate from high school after successfully completing this internship. Students have gotten jobs at Ohio Health, Mount Carmel, Nationwide Children's Hospital, and the Ohio State University. So these are some of the students that have graduated from the program. Paige, Morgan, both work for Ohio Health. They have graduated in 2018, are now pursuing nursing. Caterini works at Nationwide Children's Hospital. She attends Mount Carmel College of Nursing, and then Shelby works at the Delaware Health Campus. I had my blood drawn yesterday, and her and another graduate from 2017, Lily, were both working at that site. So we have a fantastic lab. It is very nice. We have a couple exam rooms. We have like a hospital ward with like 10 beds. Everything that we learn in the classroom, we can simulate in the lab. So just to relevant coursework and industry credentials, students receive their state-tested nursing assistant, their STNA, their patient care assistant certificate, their Ohio Health phlebotomy industry credential, and their OSHA certification. So health technology and nursing lab is all about being college and career ready, getting skills to start your career in healthcare, getting college credit, and experience to build your resume. Students receive college credit for the nurse aid training program, patient care assistant, and medical terminology. So not only can students get jobs right out of high school, but they can also get jobs as nursing assistants in assisted living while they are still in high school. And so these are two of my seniors, Jocelyn and Holly. Jocelyn works as a nursing assistant at Right at Home, which is providing home health. Holly works at Willowbrook, Delaware Run. They will graduate in May of 2021. Two more of my senior students. Kendall works at the Inn at Bear Trail. She'll graduate in 2021. And Emily works at Olentangy Trail, and she will also graduate in 2021. These students started at $12 an hour. Now that they've passed their state tests, they will receive $13.50 an hour. Where do health tech students attend? Health tech students attend lots of different colleges. Marion Technical College, Ohio State, Ohio University, Fortis, Tri-Rivers, Columbus State. I've had a couple students that have gone into the U.S. Army and received their LPN training there. So this is Aubrey. She is a 2016 graduate. She attended Capital University. She graduated with a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing and now works at OSU East Hospital. This is Kayla. She graduated in 2016, attended Marion Technical College, and now works as an occupational therapy assistant at Ohio Health. Liz completed the program in 2014. She graduated from Fortis College and is currently working as a surgical technician. And then Lucinda graduated in 2014, attended Marion Technical College, and has her diagnostic medical sonography degree. Here at the DACC, students have the opportunity to be full-day students and take their academics here, or they can take their academics at the home school. Juniors meet in the morning for lab from 7:50 to 10:50, and seniors meet in the afternoon from 11:23 to 2:20. There are many virtual events and tours on our website, delawareareacc.org/explore. If you're interested, please check out some more opportunities to learn more. Also, go to Facebook and like the DACC Health Tech and Nursing page, and you'll see what our current students and alumni are up to. And again, here's my contact information. Please let me know if you have any other questions.